Hello students of class 6, welcome back to our e-learning class. Now in our previous class we have started with this nouns number and we have read up to this point that somewhere where it is if the noun ends with a vowel plus y, its plural is formed by adding s to it. Now we will start from the next point. Some nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular form. Like goose, geese. You can see over here double O of goose. It is getting changed into double E for geese. Similarly, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, like this. However, ox, it will get changed into oxen. Child, children. Mongoose, mongooses, specimen, specimens are exceptions. So underline this one, though it is already written with this pink color, still then you underline this one. If a noun consists of several words, that means compound nouns, the s is added to the main word. Son-in-law, sons-in-law, passer-by, passers-by, maidservant, maidservants, stepmother, stepmothers. You must remember that the plural of manservant is main servants. It is very important, children, underline this one because you can just get confused with this one. The plural of child is children and the plural of ox is oxen. Now scissors, spectacles, shorts, trousers, clothes, stitched are used in plural form because they are always having two parts. Her spectacles are new, plural verb are. My shorts are faded, plural verb are. Now mathematics, news, politics and innings appear to be plural, but they are used as singular nouns. The news is shocking. Mathematics is interesting. So see over here, verb is has been used here and it is singular. Indian team lost the match by an innings. The article an is used with singular nouns. Some nouns have the same plural and singular form. This one is very important, underline. Nouns like scenery, furniture, information, advice, aircraft are always used in the singular form. The furniture is polished. You cannot say furniture are or furnitures are. You cannot say. All the information is noted. Information cannot become informations. The scenery is appealing to the eyes. Scenery cannot become sceneries. Next, cattle and people appear to be singular nouns, but they are used as plural nouns. Cattle always is plural, but it will never become cattles. People always plural. It cannot become peoples. We are having a bad habit, I should say. Sometimes while speaking, we use peoples, which is wrong. The cattle are in the shade. The people were thrilled to see their favorite cricketer. Come to the next page. Figures and letters are changed to plural form by adding apostrophe, then s. Like four foes, four apostrophe s. Q, then q's, q apostrophe s. Add 2 6 to the 3 foes and find the total. That means 2 6 and 3 foes. 3 foes and 2 6. Abstract nouns like love, anger, beauty are not countable and have no plural form. Yes. You cannot say my loves for others, my angers on others, the beauties. No, we can't say. Though sometimes we say beauties, we say like this way, but it is used in colloquial English. That means in spoken English. But while we are coming to this grammar part, we cannot change this one. Names of materials or substances like copper, iron, wood, stone, paper, iron known as material nouns are not countable. This one we have already read in the chapter nouns, where we have seen that this copper, iron, wood, gold, stone, all these are material nouns and are not countable. But one exception, not one or two exceptions are there, like for example paper. Paper, it is taken in both ways. Sometimes paper is taken as countable, sometimes it is taken as uncountable. Same thing with stones. Gold is precious, paper is made from trees, wood is expensive these days. We say the child is collecting stones. Here stones, it implies pieces of stone. That means some number of stones are there and the child is playing with them. It is incorrect to say the cottage is made of stones, because here stone is material noun. We should say this cottage is made of stone. In sentence B, the word stone has been used as the name of the building material. Hence, it is uncountable. Now, deer, sheep, fish, dozen, score have the same form as singular or plural. But for fish and fruit, we are having some sort of changes there. If we are talking of only one type of fish, at that time let it be more in number, more than two in number or more than one in number, we have to say it fish. Similarly, with the same kind of fruit, if I use, that means one mango is there, then I will say fruit. If 5 mangoes are there, then also I will say fruit. But if there is variety, that means I am having one mango and one banana, at that time I have to say fruits, because at that time I am just wanting to mean that variety is there. Same thing with fish. Sorry. The sheep is grazing in the meadow. The tiger ate several sheep. Now the first one, the sheep is grazing. Here we are just getting only one sheep. We are talking of only one sheep, one in number. The tiger ate several sheep. Here the sheep is used for plural noun or as plural. The shopkeeper sold 5 dozen eggs. We can also say dozens of sheep were wasted. You know 1 dozen equals to 12. Scores of pears were plucked from trees and kept in baskets. In the case of fish, we use fishes also. Fish indicates a single variety, whereas fishes suggest different varieties, as I have already said you. The plural of fruit can be both fruit or fruits, what I have already explained. With nouns ending in es, in the singular form, we can change it to es in the plural. Like basis, is is there at the end, we can just change into basis like B-A-S-E-S. Diagonuses, diagonuses. Some nouns that end with on as singulars end in a as plurals. Phenomenon, it becomes phenomena. Criterion, it becomes criteria. So some exceptional cases are there. Cactus, cacti, stimulus, stimuli, antenna, antenna. So now value corner, let us come to the value corner. Abstract nouns like love, anger, hate are uncountable and have no plural form. Which quality will help you make uncountable friends? Love or hate? Explain. So children, this one you can easily do, and you will just complete this one as your homework, and you will just upload it in our e-portal. But before my class gets over, I will say that you will complete exercise number A, B, C, D and E. And these answers we will discuss in our next video. Okay children, bye for today.